2nd. We're going to work on some more rocks. Never-ending rock game here. What we're trying to do is get around this tree. We're hoping to put some 2-footers to retain the soil. Put some garden on the top. And then we've got some like the 8-inch ones, like steps, that will put kind of a little patio in front that'll come out this way. Let me step back here a bit so you can see where we are. There's the entryway stairs in there, and you can see I was burning a log here. I'd someday like to have a nice fire pit here, and from the fire pit be able to walk off along the river and sit on a rock on the other side of the tree there. So let's see how far we get today. Both Brad and I are tired. He woke up early. He's been working a shutdown nights, 7 nights a week. I've been working 4 nights a week. He's 10 hours and I'm 12 hours, so we're just trying to sneak in. It's a very windy north wind, but it's sunny, and it says it's supposed to be like 17 degrees, which is like almost 70 degrees Fahrenheit, but the wind coming off the water is a little bit chilly. Brad's just moving some dirt so he can get through here and come down. He'll start with prepping the area there, and then we'll start moving some rocks. Although one great big rock I think we're gonna have to break in half, and that's gonna be a big job. Here we go. Okay, so a day of work, and this is what we got. How many stones did we place?
I don't know, I think 5, 4 or 5.
5 stones. I know it doesn't seem like a lot. Here, I'll get closer. All right, so here we go. We will put some stones in front of it, like big flagstones, the ones that are over in the yard over there in front. So we got a little landing to stand on, and we can sit on those. And up behind it, we'll put dirt, and I'm thinking of some blue evergreens for the bluebird. Let's see. We'll come up this way. Still some fitting. These first 4, look at how nice they fit together. This one is still a work in progress, and we've got a big one over there that we'll put here, and another one on that side. So that's coming. I can see it anyway. I can see putting the flat stones in front, a little bit of a patio, and it's a nice spot to sit, that's for sure. Like north wind today, and working here hasn't been too bad. When you step out there, it's really, really windy. A lot of boat traffic. Look at 1, 2, 3. There's 4 or 5 more coming down the river. Wow. For October, it's a lot of boat traffic, eh, Brad? See how many boats are going by? All right, well, that's a wrap for today.